Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is a friendly neighborhood trader Ankan. I hope you are doing well. This is the monthly reading for Scorpio or Vrishyak Rashi Sun Moon Rising for the month of August 2025. This is a general reading based on collective energy, so it may or may not resonate with you. If it doesn't resonate with you, you can check out the reading for the other signs. If you don't know how to check your other signs, you can check out my previous video on zodiac signs. Link is in the description below. Also, to stick to the end of the video to know your monthly oracle guidance card for this month. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. So let's get on with the reading for Scorpio or Vrishyak Rashi for the month of August. Scorpio, I see you guys being very much in a defensive position, very much not willing to take action, not willing to, trust people. There is energy of distrust here, of you being like badly beaten up, kind of like not physically beaten up, but you feel very drained. You feel very much at an end. You feel you have been pushed beyond your limits, and now you are kind of stuck. You are not willing to move forward. You are kind of like it's kind of that energy that I am like I'm good where I am, and I'm not gonna take much action towards it, but I'm also not gonna let others push me even further. I'm going to defend my position. I also see that there have been a lot of like burden upon you, a lot of pressure upon you, and a lot of pressure is gonna come upon you this month as well. A lot of pressure, a lot of duties and responsibilities is gonna come your way this month. This obviously isn't that pleasant, having that burden upon you, but this is the energies that is there. Let's look at the other cards now. See, I see you may have overworked yourself, you may have pushed yourself a bit too much, and when it comes to your career and finances, the cards kind of show me that you need to focus on yourself. You need to focus on your health, both mental and physical, and it's time to hold yourself back. It's time to take a break. It's time to heal yourself. High time to heal yourself, because you have been through a lot, and the universe is kind of asking you to focus on your self-care, because with the burden that is coming your way this month, you need a lot of healing. Now remember, this burden doesn't always have to be related to work or related to finances. It can be in any aspect of your life, but whatever aspect it might be, you definitely need healing, especially when it comes to your career and finances. Now when it comes to your love and relationships, you get the 8 of Pentacles. So I see you working towards something. I see you trying to learn a lot of things related to your love and relationships. You might be learning how to date people, or how to connect with more people, connect with more potential partners. You are learning. There is a very strong aspect of trying to figure things out, trying to learn, trying to work through things, so that you can achieve what you want to achieve. If you're married, this could mean you are working to resolve a lot of things. You are trying to figure out a lot of things related to your marriage, and this in turn will obviously will give you very good results, but it might take some time, because you are putting in a lot of work into your marriage to make it work, to make it positive and fulfilling. Now when it comes to your health, good energies is, I would say, a very mixed kind of energies. Because if you have taken care of your health, if you have focused on your health and prioritized your health, definitely it will give you good results this month. But if you have neglected your health, if you are not taken care of it, if you have, shifted your focus from your health, this might not turn out to be very well for you. This might give you issues related to your health this month. Now let's look at the other energies. I see you being recognized. There is a sense of because of all the hard work that you have put into your in especially in your career and work, in your studies. This now is the time people and people around you will acknowledge you for your efforts, for your hard work. This is a time when they will celebrate you. So there is a chance of promotion for some of you. There is a chance of getting a new job for some of you, cracking an exam if you are trying to appear, or if you are trying to apply for some exams. So this is a card of success, and I see you getting success overall, especially in your career and finances. Now the other energies, there is definitely an ending here for some of you. I don't know what kind of ending in which sector this ending is gonna happen, but there is an ending. You might feel that things have ended in a very in the very worst possible way, and it's probably true as well. But this ending also brings in a new hope, new aspect of a new beginning. You can start afresh. You can start from the bottom and work your way upwards. But there is definitely some sort of ending that is coming your way. I also see that there is a person here. There is exchange of energies with a different with a person. Could be your partner, could be it could be related to love or career, but there is definitely an exchange of energies with someone. There could be someone who is guiding you, who is helping you in your troubled times, in your hardships. And this person who is in authority, in a better position than you, this person is going to help you. This person is going to guide you and support you in your times of need. Now the energies that you should focus upon this month is the Ace of Wands. So try to figure out on how you should approach life. There is definitely a new beginning here, but for that you will need to be a bit stubborn about it. कहता है ना कि छोड़ना नहीं है, किसी हाल में भी उसको पकड़ के रखना है. तो there is this energy of don't let go, and after all this hard work and duties that you have fulfilled, the hard work that you have put in, there is definitely going to be some positivity and new beginnings coming your way. And this is exactly what this card signifies, the Ace of Wands. So something that you may feel passionate about, or you may feel passionate towards, is coming into fruition, is starting new. So yeah, overall quite a good kind of energies, but do keep check on your health and try to get some rest, heal yourself, focus on healing and self-care. And let's look at what Oracle Guidance card is coming for you this month. Yeah, you get allowing. Radical acceptance says yes to reality in any given moment. So what's needed can come next. So you have to allow a lot of things to come into your life. This new beginning that I was telling you about, this would only come into your life when you allow it to come into your life. And how you can allow things to come into your life is by accepting the reality, accepting the fact, embracing what is the reality of things, and not be stuck in a emotional limbo. So be more realistic, and the moment you accept that new things are supposed to come into your life, new beginnings are supposed to come into your life. That is the moment when these things will come into your life. So overall, a very good kind of energy, a very good reading for you, Scorpio. That would be all for your reading. So if you like the reading and the reading resonated with you, do leave a like and a comment to claim the reading. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take care.